let's learn how you can put two images side to side on iPhone, but this tutorial could be used on Android too, because for this tutorial I will show you Instagram method and not the shortcut method that is only for iPhone. So it's a bit easier than shortcut method. So let us go to work. We will have to open Instagram application first, and all you have to do is to go to your story, and it will open story menu settings. Just select one image. Actually, you'll have to go back and click on this layout when you find on camera options and click on change grid and just select two photos here, and it will be like half. So now you'll have to select photo from galleries. This is one and this is second one. You can now change the photo as you like, and as you can see, when you're done, just click on yes button and it will be two images side to side. Now just save it, and as you can see, it's gonna be saved to camera roll.